Hello dear all, welcome to our channel Smart Indian Model School. Smart Indian Model School present Smart Indian EduFun classes. EduFun online classes include course studies of playgroup to class 12, emotional and communication skills, happiness classes and DIY activities.
Hello dear all, welcome you all in our channel Sims Official, and these days we are doing the grammar exercise of lesson 3 of MCB Pip Amazes Himself. So in this video we will do the exercise of collective nouns. Before doing this exercise, I wish to explain you something about collective nouns.
So for doing this exercise, I will tell you that what is collective noun. First you need to understand that what is collective noun, where we shall use collective noun and how. So for this, let's have the definition. A collective noun is a word used to name a group of people, animals or things. एक word जो people, animal या things के ग्रुप को नेम करता है उसको हम कलेक्टिव नाउन करते हैं. बट हेयर यू नीड टू टेक केयर ऑफ वन थिंग. कलेक्टिव नाउन वी ऑलवेज यूज for the same things or for the same animals or for the same people. Like some examples are here: a herd of cows, a flock of birds, a swarm of flies. Here you can easily see in this picture that if we will talk about herd, then the same cows are there, and flock all the birds are there, and in swarms all the flies are there. So collective nouns we always use to talk about the groups of some animals, people or things. Some examples are a school of fish. For fish we use another collective noun, and that is shoal. So these two collective nouns we use for fish. Some other examples are a bunch of keys. Yes, आप बंच सुनते ही आपके दिमाग में कुछ ना कुछ आया होगा कि बंच तो हम कई और जगह पर भी यूज़ करते हैं. सो यू आर राइट. Bunch we use with flowers. How beautiful these flowers are, how fresh these flowers are. So here we will use bunch of flowers. And इसके अलावा bunch of grapes, bunch of beautiful grapes, bunch of juicy grapes, bunch of green grapes, bunch of red grapes, bunch of black grapes. So with grapes we use bunch, and grapes के अलावा भी we use bunch with balloons. How beautiful these balloons are, how colorful. balloons देख के तो कोई भी बच्चा बन जाता है. Yes, we use this collective noun bunch with balloons too. And some more examples are a team of horses. अरे ये क्या, मैंने टीम यूज़ किया है हॉर्सेस के साथ, और आपको तो पता है कि टीम किसकी होती है. Yes, this collective noun we use for horses and for players too. Team of players. This is Indian cricket team, and I know that many of your favorite cricketers are here, like MS Dhoni and Mr. Virat Kohli. So this word team, this collective noun team we use with horses and with players as well. Now I will tell you something more about collective noun. A collective noun is singular in form even though it names anything which is two or more than two. चाहे ग्रुप में 2 लोग हों या more than 100 people हों या animals हों, but we always use a singular noun, a singular verb with a collective noun, and we called as it a singular, and we count it as a singular too. So please take care of it, that any collective noun will be always counted as singular. For explaining this, let's have some more examples. A set of tools. If you can see this picture, you will see that there are so many tools on this table, but we are using a set because set is a collective noun what we are using for these tools. So we are using are with it. And now this is much clear with you that एक ग्रुप में कितनी भी चीज़ें हों, लेकिन अगर हम कलेक्टिव नाउन यूज़ कर रहे हैं तो वो सिंगुलर होगा. लाइक अ डेक ऑफ कार्ड्स. Here you can see that there are so many cards in this deck, but we will use it as a singular noun. So now it's clear that collective noun can only be used as singulars. Now we will do the exercise related to the collective nouns.
Now after explaining, we can do this exercise very easily. So let's have the question. Underline the collective noun in each sentence. Now you will read these sentences and you will underline the collective nouns. So you will do this exercise in your homework and take good care of yours. Stay blessed. Bye bye.
यदि आपको हमारा वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो आगे की वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन प्राप्त करने के लिए कृपया बेल बटन दबाएं और चैनल सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. प्लीज सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल ऑफ एडुफन क्लासेस. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.